Ouch. This crap hurts. Stupid thing. Gotta make sure you cut off this white part at the bottom. Got about this much. Just put a piece of foil on it and put it in the refrigerator. This is a good one. It's got a lot of juice in it because I could barely get all of the stuff out. It's not as easy as it looks, folks. Don't let people lie to y'all on YouTube. Oh, man. Do y'all see?
Do you see that?
Alright, this is the last thing that I put in there. Voila. Really prepared. So I got my little strainer. Can y'all see that? It's a little dusty. Got my bowl. And now I'm just gonna pour my stuff in there and let it strain itself. Okay, so since I did not introduce this from the beginning, I will introduce it now. So I am making myself a leave-in aloe vera with extra virgin olive leave-in conditioner. Okay, I am back. Now, do y'all see this? Let's see. Let's get it closer. Yeah, do not mind this rust. I need to go buy another one of these things. But all right, do y'all see that? Okay, so all of the particles that's like left over, that is the stuff you do not want in this mixture. Okay, you just want all of the white stuff, clear, milky, whatever you want to call it. But that's what you want. So that's why I wait a few minutes, because you want this pus or whatever it's called to stay behind. Because you don't want all this in your hair. This is going to be really nasty in your hair. And you might be embarrassed to walk around with clumps of clear stuff in your hair. I don't know your story, but might not be a good idea. Might not be a good look, okay? So, remember, just give it a few. And then you can take it and put it in a bottle. Alright, so this is my bottle. I already got water and olive oil in here. Now, this bottle is pretty good. It's a pretty good size, but I don't even try to fill it up. I mean, let's see where it goes. Oh, with the water that I had in it. All right. That's not too bad. Now, you will notice over time that I guess it becomes fermented. I don't know, but you don't refrigerator. I mean, nobody would want to put a regular hair bottle in their refrigerator anyways, but it does stink. But after maybe like a few hours, or maybe even like an hour, maybe even like 30 minutes, it doesn't stink that bad. Now it is so you will have to put water in it, or at least I do, just to make it not so thick. And then when you spray it, when it's just like this, it does come out like this long thick stream. All right, so with that being said, so I usually add more water, but I usually add the water like further in the week or whatever, because this actually will last me a while. Maybe like, I guess maybe a week and a half. I don't really wear my real hair a lot, or for long periods of time rather, because I get tired of like spraying stuff in it, and plus I just don't have time for that every day. But when I have braids and stuff, I still use. So let's just spray this. Now, I'll just show y'all. Oh, y'all see that? It is raining. Okay. Now y'all got a little bit more light on me. All right, now I'm in the bathroom, so let's see. Oh, here it is. This is what my hair looks like after I spray it on. You can see this side over here is really still kind of dry, so that's the difference. It'll start to drape, and then just twist it up. How do I fool my own self? Like, this is not a picture. This is a video. All right, let's do some more. Whoop. And really the goal is to get it in your scalp. I just need to detangle my curls. It's in there. Shrinkage. Yeah, see that? Okay. Do a whole lot of ponytails. I could get away with 4 big ones. So that's all I'm about to do. 2 in the back, 2 at the top. Be looking real preschoolish by the head. Yep. If you want the ends of your hair, because like I know sometimes mine's, they become really straight after a while, like especially when I take my twist out all day, they just come out straight. So Ooh, did y'all see that? I had to take a break because that was not supposed to happen. And then I almost just did it again. Gosh. So anyways, I usually just roll it up so my ends won't be straight. So this is it. Finished product. Be back tomorrow. Look, if I really wanted to, it's still moisturized.